Hello and good afternoon. Again, this is Rina and I will be talking business again with another famous and successful businessman of his time, Mr. Joseph Franco. Franco to talk to us about the distribution concept that he will be raising and doing for the Filipino community. Good afternoon, sir. And here we go again. So let's talk about FGC Distribution.
So FGC Distribution is another subsidiary of the FGC Group of Franco Group of Companies. So I created this concept primarily because there are tons of people out there who would like to start their own business, but they have difficulties with the budgeting, product formulations, product targeting. So what I did, this is another platform of which people can join the business through distribution with a very small amount of startup capital. So you won't believe the startup capital is only 2,500 pesos.
Wow.
And in exchange of that, people who will join us, they will have the rights or ability to purchase our products at a manufacturing price.
So this is a very friendly business concept. It's because it allows the masses to have at least a very low startup and having these quality products for now. And this is absolutely helpful, especially the pandemic, the losing of jobs and opportunities. So basically, the direction of this one is how are we going to position this in the market?
Okay, it's simple. People nowadays are using the social media in order for them to sell products, right? So what is just difficult for that is where will these people get their products at the very lowest price? So what FGC Distribution did, so we came up with this concept of which this product will be positioned based on contesting the products that are available in the market, but at the same time they have the privilege to purchase it at a very, very minimal price.
Yeah, I heard it's a manufacturing price, and it's really a good privilege because you do the manufacturing. And this is basically in time, very timely business concept because now people are shifting into wellness.
Yes.
Yeah, they are being aware of how they could, take good care of themselves and at the same time take good care of their neighbors. So, sir, how do they get in touch with you? How do they sign up, or how they could be a part of this business?
Well, they can visit the francogroup.net website, so it's all in there, or they can contact the office at Oscorp or the Franco Group of Companies, and then look for our beautiful OIC, Miss Matel Tolentino.
Wow.
So she'll be able to explain every detail that they wanted to hear with regards to the FGC distribution.
And we are just excited that we will be doing the official launching on December. And would you mind inviting them, sir?
Guys, I'd like to invite you to please join us on December 1. We will be launching the FGC distribution. As you can see, these beautiful products in here. So it's for you guys to have the chance of having a good direct selling business with a very, very minimal capital. So come and join us. Thank you.
Yes, wow, thank you so much, sir. And again, with Fleur and FGC Distribution, you will be able to have the best opportunity of the lifetime. And again, this is Rina Tolentino interviewing a very successful man of his time, Mr. Joseph Franco. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.